Hey guys, it's Lily, queen of forgetting to make an intro to her videos, so I'm just doing it here in the voiceover. So welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm so glad that we're here. Today I just wanted to give you guys a really quick and simple look using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just going to jump straight into it with the brows. I brushed them up and then used the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow to fill them in, and then I'm going in with this NYX brow glue to set the hairs up and in place, and then I will proceed to conceal around them using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Ivory. Using this round flat brush, I am going all over the lid to set a base for my shadow, and then, like I said, defining the brow top and bottom. Always make sure if you're using concealer on the top of your brows that it blends in with your skin and that it's not going to be a harsh line of demarcation. With a fluffy brush, I am now going to just blend everything out. Once my base is blended, I'm going to set it with a white or light shade. Today I'm using the Norvina palette by Anastasia, so I'm just going in with their lightest shade and preparing the base for the shadow on top. I don't have it in front of me, but I believe this is the shade Eccentric. It's the bright orange shade from the palette, but I just go in with a nice fluffy brush and begin to fluff this into the crease, blending up and out to diffuse any lines. The more I blended, the more it started to look green. I think that maybe there was like a blue or something in the brush before and it just wasn't clean. So I had to go back over it a few times to return that bright orange color. Now using the shade Love, which is the pink, I am using a flat brush and just packing it all over my lid and blending it into that crease. To blend the crease, I'm using the same brush as before with just a little bit of the Love color on it once again to help blend it into that orangey color. Drag it under the eyes. This is the AOA Miss A Artista black eyeliner, and I am just using this to go against my lash line. I'm not doing a wing or anything. I kept this look pretty simple. I literally just used two eyeshadow shades, so, just a nice line to help conceal the lashes. Lash Sensational Mascara has always been my go-to, so I just popped on a light coat to help blend in the false lashes I'm about to put on. I will be using my Duo Clear Lash Glue and just some, I think these are Sheen lashes, honestly. Wish. Something super cheap. I just found them and popped them on, and honestly, once I put them on, I really didn't even like the way that they looked with the look, but it was too late. I didn't feel like putting on a different pair of lash, so that's fine. It is what it is. With that same e.l.f. concealer from earlier, I'm going to conceal my T-zone and any redness, acne scars, or anything like that, and just really smooth out my complexion. I really don't wear foundation often, but I put so much concealer on my face I might as well. And then I'm just going to blend all of that in with a nice fluffy brush and make sure that the color looks smooth and even. This is the Airspun Loose Powder, and I am just using it to set my base. I like to make sure that I really get my under eyes, especially because that's where most of the concealer went, and then anywhere else that gets shiny or I'm worried about it slipping. This is the e.l.f. bronzer in Sunkissed. I'm going to use this fluffy brush to define my jawline, my cheekbones, around my forehead, and down my nose. For blush today, I used the NARS Orgasm X, which is my absolute favorite brush. I actually just applied for a NARS Pro discount. I just love the color of it. It is so beautiful, so shimmery, and I love the golden undertone. I went a little too heavy, so I was just blending it back out with my powder brush to make sure that everything looked smooth and cohesive because I was doing this look to model for phone cases, so I didn't want the blush to be in their face. Then using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, I set my whole face to prepare for highlight. So I then go in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero on my nose, down the bridge, upper lip, under my brow, across my cheeks, and a little bit across my forehead above my brow. For lips, I'm using this Maybelline, I believe it's a Super Stay, and the color is going to be 130. It's just a nice pinky shade. This is the final look. A really quick, easy, two-color eyeshadow look that you could really wear anywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!